you're going to see how I use paintless dent repair on the aluminum fender of this Mercedes. So my customer had said something had fallen against the fender of his vehicle here, putting this sharp, deep crease on this aluminum panel. And when we get started with something like this, we definitely want to start with some heat. We're going to heat it up between 100 to maybe 150 degrees. This allows to keep it warm and flexible. And I'm going to start with one of my PDR tools here, going underneath and behind the fender, in between the fender liner, which is typically plastic. And I'm able to push against directly on the aluminum here, slowly moving out the dent. And you can just see from this image, I got a majority of the dent out, but there's just a very sharp little line, kind of a crease in there. Part of that is because it's aluminum, and part of it was because it was very sharp. So as I did that, I can still continue using my tool to lightly push this dent out a little bit at a time, trying to get this as smooth as possible. And from this image, you can see that it's still got a very sharp little line through it. And what I'll need to do is use this tool here with a very sharp point. And this allows me to go behind there and just make very precise, very small, little tiny pushes that get me a very smooth result. Now in doing that, I do have to lightly sand this with about 3000 grit paper and do a little bit of buffing. This allows me to get it as smooth as possible, giving me an excellent repair. Now with this one in particular, after I'm done buffing here, I did have to continue to work on it just a little bit more and then just lightly tap down any little imperfections. Alright, thanks for watching the aluminum dent repair video here today. If you'd like to see more paintless dent repair videos, hit that subscribe button. You'll get notified with any new videos we've got coming out. If you'd like to see more aluminum dent repair videos that we have, here was a recent one we did on a Ford F-150 door ding, and also we have a playlist full of other paintless dent repair on aluminum panels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.